I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Of course, I'm biased, but my mom's grilled cheese recipe is one of the best things you'll ever put in your mouth. We're talking bread, cheese, and butter, people. How could you beat that? Growing up, I used to beg my mom for these grilled cheese sandwiches, and I still, to this day, beg her, please make these grilled cheese sandwiches. They're that good, I'm telling you. And you just need 3 ingredients. I'm gonna show you what to do. Mom, your secret is about to come out. So, starts off with some sandwich bread, just soft sandwich bread that you get right in the grocery store, nothing special. I like oatmeal or oat bread the best, but you can do what you want. And then what you wanna do is I like sharp cheddar cheese or extra sharp cheddar cheese. And you just want to do a single layer of the sharp cheddar. So I'm gonna grab another here. Want some paper? Anybody? And then just add another little piece to make 1 layer. Pop the bread on top of that. And then you're gonna take some good quality butter. I like salted butter. And you're gonna need about a tablespoon or so, and you wanna make sure it's nice and soft so it's easily spreadable. And you wanna be super generous to the point where it's like, wow, could I eat this much butter? But it's really gonna work out when you toast it in the pan and it gets nice and golden brown and delicious. Sometimes things just don't need to be complicated, you know? It's just good the way it is. So butter both sides, and then you're gonna take your non-stick pan over to the stove. Let's go. Continuing on with the simplicity, I have a spatula, and I'm going to turn my stove on high heat. You want this thing screaming hot, and you're gonna toast that first side for about 2 to 4 minutes. You wanna make sure you watch your pan and keep kind of checking the grilled cheese just to make sure you don't overdo it. It's time to flip. I've been checking to make sure that other side isn't too golden. Look at that. Flip it around, and then you just wanna give it a good press, and this will just press that cheese right into the bread, press the butter into the bread, and you're gonna get that nice soft interior and then uberly crispy outside. So another 1 to 2 minutes on this side, and then your grilled cheese will be set. Okay, I've been checking. You just kind of peek around the bread to make sure it's good. Once it's good, give it a flip to make sure it looks good. That looks perfect. Nice and toasty. Perfect sandwich.
I hope you hear the crunch. The outside, crispy, salty. The inside, so cheesy, buttery. Honestly, one of the best things I've ever had. Thanks, Mom. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel